Okay, Jason, your closet is done.
Hello, wow. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I put all of your pants down here.
Yeah.
Try to color coordinate.
Mm-hmm.
These are your winter. I'm going to get your face.
No.
These are winter. Some of your hoodies are here just for the weight at the top.
Mm-hmm.
Your suits, your 2 suits are in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Color coordinated. Hoodies, short sleeve, dress. So it's short sleeve, then dress, and then all of your shoes.
Thank you. And we have space for the laundry.
That one, not the other one.
And
Yeah,
you
no.
have a shelf still above.
Oh yeah. I
Yeah,
got
and I'm
a
gonna-
shelf down here too.
I'm gonna put those in the container as soon as she gets
I
back.
got little containers right there.
Yeah, you can put those
Cool.
down there too.
Well, thank you. Look, and it closes.
It does. I love it. And you see your ties are on the side.
Oh, I didn't see the ties.
Right there.
Oh, okay. Now there was something right here, a little hook thingy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can't use it. So.
Yeah, it's kind of hidden. So
Yeah, but I can
there we go. Take that
Okay.
back. We'll take that back.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Now, if you want to do Tiffany's closet,
All right. You want? We can just do the reveal after.
yeah, we do the review after. So this is.
Wow.
So I got everything. You want to help somebody hold that? So, like that's the purse that she just bought. So here's her PJs, dresses, little shawls and sweaters are here.
Mm-hmm.
Purse. This was belts. Boots are up top. Then I organized color coordinate, and then I did short sleeve, long sleeve. Then her suits. All of her pants are here. And all of her little bags are here.
Oh, it did work. The little bag.
It did. It worked. It was perfect. And then her shoes are here. These are shoes. And I like to decorate the closet. So boots are up top. And you see how if you put them opposite, you get more space.
Oh,
and
yeah.
because your boots are folded them over. So you don't have the long piece hanging.
Mm-hmm.
And so she's out getting more containers. So I have these down here to contain. And then these are stockings that we're going to put in a container when she gets back.
And then
So
the
right
jewelry
here-
box is gonna be right there.
Right here.
And does she have space for a mirror? No.
We might have to rethink the robes and put them here because it's no
No room over there.
real space
Okay,
right there.
we can do that because I don't think she wants the mirror in there anyway.
Yeah.
Okay,
So yeah.
I like it.
So Tiffany,
Cool.
when you get back.
Wow, and look, she can step into her closet.
I know.
She can step in.
Walk-in closet.
Yeah, and I can just lock her in too.
You know what? She can go and sit in there. She needs to
Bye. Bye, Tiffany.
Get your stool. Get your
Oh,
stool.
you might be locked in.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, she might be locked in.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
that.
And the stool will still fit in there. She wants to literally
Sit.
go in there and close
That's
the
it.
door.
Yeah,
Meditate.
Right?
just meditate.
Meditate for a
I
minute.
love it. I love it.
Yay.
Well, thank
I'm
you.
excited.
Thank you.
You're welcome.